Okay, thanks for watching. Today I'm making a sign made up of a bunch of signs, and I'm making this out of the same hardwood floor sample material. It's like a laminate. I'm not exactly sure how to describe what it is, but it was free, so that's the best kind of material. And it's good, sturdy, strong stuff, and it's going to be for indoors. She's a librarian, and it's going to be in her library. She's going to paint them with different words and directions and stuff like that. So it should be pretty cool when she gets it all done. Unfortunately, I don't think she's going to get it done before I post this video. If she does, then I will post an updated picture of it all complete. If not, then it'll be at the end of an additional video. So subscribe and hit that like button, and I will be back at the end. Thanks for watching. Okay, well this one came out really good. I would have liked to have painted it, but it's all right. She's very crafty, and she likes to do that kind of stuff herself. And honestly, she's going to do a much better job of painting it than I would have. So it's probably all for the best. That's all I got for you. I have just received in the mail my 11 new V-bits and end mill bits and 32nd of an inch bullnose. So I'll be doing a video on those, and I'm going to start doing some metal working or aluminum working videos. I think I'm going to start with making a little Subaru logo. So if you want to see that stuff, hit the subscribe button and come on back. Thanks for watching.